Hey YouTube fam. So we're starting a new project at Home Life Builders, and this is a 4,000 square feet two-story house in Flamborough, Ontario that we'll be renovating. And I'll be sharing with you weekly updates about all the renovations that are going on. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the playlist. And hope you guys learn and hope you guys have fun with me as much as I'm having fun renovating it. All right, so we've taken out all the carpet from the house, pretty much, except for this main room. The reason we didn't take it out from here is because we know exactly what's underneath. It's all pretty much concrete. So it'll be very cool to walk on and everything. And this room is not going to be done right away, so we have not taken out the carpet from here. And but for the rest of it, we have pretty much done the carpet. This room also is going to be pretty much the exact same, so no changes there, so no carpet. Here, we have taken out all the carpet. This is practically the main house, I would say. Carpets have been taken out here. Some wood paneling also has been taken out. This is actually like the very first type of drywall that was available ever. So this was the first time I've ever seen this type of drywall, and this was like pretty much like the start of drywall. So this house is actually pretty advanced for its age. They had two layers of wood paneling, and if you know, wood paneling is quite expensive. So these guys had two layers of it. This is also a wall that is going to be modified. So we've taken out the wood paneling here, carpets out, and this closet is also going to be changed. So we're going to be taking out these doors soon as well. And yeah, so wood paneling all over. We're probably going to take these out soon. Today is actually. All right, so this part is going to be taken out. And closet, we took out the carpet here. And now let's go to the master. It's actually quite interesting. So this is the master. There's like a big partition wall here, and as you can see, the wall only goes up until that beam. Initially, what we thought was that the wall would not be able to come down, but once we removed all the wood paneling and all the insulation, we found out that this wall is not actually connected to anything. It's just sitting there, so it's not a load-bearing wall. So we'll be able to take this wall out, make the master much bigger, and create All right, we took down the middle wall. That's all. And the 2 doors. Yeah. Okay, just a sec. Okay, so we took down the wall in the middle of the master. Look how big and beautiful the master is now. Isn't it amazing? I love this little brick wall in the middle. We might put a fireplace there and 2 bigger windows on the side. So you'll get a full view of the outside and it'll look amazing. Right? And then here we have taken out the closet. Now that's going to be part, this pulls in the way. That's going to be part of the room now, and the closet is going to go here. So the room will be much bigger and yeah, look much better. So this will be the room here. It's a lot of good wood that we got from the room as well, so that's good. Remove all the doors, taking them to the recycling community center. Let's go. So this is like the garbage community center, recycling center where you leave all the construction waste. Look at that guy. I get to operate such big machines. So cool.